In this video, I will show you how to add RAM to the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. The standard configuration of the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. To increase it, you need to remove the bottom cover. I bought 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. It needs to be installed in the laptop. First, you need to unscrew all the bolts located on the back cover. For this, we use a regular Phillips screwdriver. The length of the bolts here is the same all around the perimeter. Then, using a regular plastic card, you need to unclip all the latches around the perimeter of the bottom cover. And then at the back, we do everything carefully so we don't break the latches. Then, to avoid power issues, you need to disconnect it. This is the very small battery connector. And we place the SSD drive in its spot. To do this, we install it at a 45-degree angle and lower it down. Here it is being placed in its spot. And after that, we put the bottom cover back in place. It just clicks into place. In this position, and we carefully screw all the bolts back into their places, securing the bottom cover. Let's check the amount of RAM in the system running. We click on Properties. In the system that's running, we click on Properties. 15.9 of 16 GB used. System OK. 15.9 GB out of 16. So, the memory system is working satisfactorily.